tayo guys. Pupunta tayo ng Safari Park. So, mamamasyal tayo sa zoo. Tingnan natin yung reaction ng ating baby. Dahil, first time niya makakakita ng mga tunay na animals. Nagdala tayo ng mga toys niya na animals. Pakita ko sa kanya later.
Bababa po ba tayo doon?
Oo, pero ano, may drive-thru.
Bababa
Drive-thru
lang.
yata muna. Drive-thru muna. So, see you later guys. May inaayos pa si Mr. Ano kaya inaayos na? Init. 18 degrees. Kaya swerte tayo. Dapat kahapon talaga kami gagala. Pero dahil sabi ni Mr. mas maganda daw ngayon, is ngayon na lang. Dala kong tripod. Magkamit kaya natin ating tripod.
Baka kuhain ng unggoy yan mo.
Hindi pwedeng magbukas yata ng bintana.
Bawal?
But anyway, let's go na. Kayla, are you okay? Oh, why not? Do you want some water? Hindi ka yata nag-water. Going. Kayla, painumin lang daw ng tubig yan.
I've not brought a coat.
No.
Because, me too.
Ang scam po na to. Tama po yung ano.
Lalim.
Opo.
Support yun. Parang ano, parang hindi mag-init agad. Didn't see it.
Kaya punta ka sa ano? Sa camera ng TikTok.
Up and get a
Mga picture ako.
Taking pictures.
view.
This is nice. Oh. Is this one? Nice, oh. Parang ano lang eh, placard lang, oh. It's very shaky. Ay, ang gaganda ng tupa. Ship. Yay! Dito na tayo.
Shouldn't have to go past the come back.
Yeah. Didn't know there's a turning. Maybe it's new junction. We're here! Yay! I can put Michaela's on my lap, yeah? Nandito na tayo. I'm so excited. Can I remove my seatbelt?
Got your email?
Yeah. Want it?
Well, one of them is for sure.
Siguro. Para makakilos ng ayos. Wait lang. We're here na. Come, Kayla. So what did she say? We can go straight through?
No, she said it's fine.
See things.
Safari
Salamat.
exit. You want to exit?
Huh? Uy. She kick it. Sorry, Papa.
So we can always go round it again, can't we?
Huh?
Excited na ako makasar ng unggoy.
I don't know how to read this.
Naka ma.
Kayla, look. That's donkey.
Oh.
Kayla, look. I want to see her reaction.
Are
Wow.
they donkeys and mules?
Wow, Kayla, look, donkey. That's donkey.
Those over
That's
there.
Isay.
Get them on the way back.
That's donkey, Kayla. Look. That's donkey. What's that? Look.
The deers.
Where? Oh, they're far. Look here, Kayla, here. Look, Kayla.
Video with Mrs. Wood.
Ay. Wow. That's cute. You like it? No? Oh dear. Look, Kayla, look.
Mom, may bus.
They're looking at you, animals.
Sabi mo,
Wow. Yeah, but not
It's the
dying.
same concept, isn't it?
we're here now. We're inside.
Earlier when I
Now we're
saw
going to rhinos. Yeah, but there wasn't one, was there? Oh, the one on
Donkey?
its own.
Yeah.
Oh, but it might not
Ba't
be
dalawa?
well. So they isolated them well.
Makakapakalat-kalat sila.
Ano to ma?
I don't know. Maybe that's moose.
So it said to me, do not stop on the cattle grid, and I wasn't going to, but then he stopped.
So you have to wait here unless
Yeah,
you have
but
space there.
But for whatever reason, he just stopped.
So wait here.
Wala kaya monkey.
that the cattle
Ay, yun
breed?
pala.
Yeah,
Mayo.
they call the cattle breed.
Ano to, ma?
Because originally they were for
Pasan?
cows.
Hmm?
Pasan.
Anong pasan?
Ay,
Monkey na
Ano
yata
ba,
yan,
pheasant
may
there, look?
baby. Pakalabaw lang yan sa atin.
Yeah,
Water buffalo.
Carabao or whatever.
Carabao, yeah. Water buffalo, but it's Carabao. Kalabaw.
ganyan pala malaki yun, ma.
Michaela, look at the animals outside.
So I don't,
Yeah, they're blocking.
I don't understand the rush
There,
to go
look.
round.
Michaela, look there.
Look, emu,
There, oh.
ostrich,
Ostrich.
emu, ostrich.
Ostrich.
Rhinoceros horn because they believe it cures everything,
What do you mean cures
and it's
everything?
made of hair. Eating the grass. Yes, she's seen them now. Like hair,
Yeah.
like that.
Oh.
Rhinos.
Rhino's horn, yeah, it's matted hair. Quite a strange thing. It's not like ivory.
Come here, Popo. You have Popo, no?
You.
Taba ba? It's walking. It's coming, Tila. It's coming.
Asan yung ostrich na?
Kita mo na.
Charge the car,
Oh,
put an hole in the car.
Tatawid kaya yan?
It's
Can't you
coming.
see it? Oh, she's waiting at the
It's
baseball.
coming. That's rhinos.
Coming for a
Dito muna.
boost.
It's gonna cross the road. It is. It is gonna cross.
That is big, isn't it? Look at
Yeah,
this.
oh,
Look how big it is next to a car.
Nice.
No. Na.
Ano na? Ayan na. She's so close. Ayan na. Lapit. Hindi naman naka-video. Zinuzoom mo lang.
Hindi po, inulit ko po.
Ayan, ganyan lang. Okay na yan.
Tumawid na yata. Oo nga, tumawid.
Yung isa? Yung
Opo.
rhinos?
Yay, giraffe.
Mikila, look at the
Parang
giraffe.
kabayo.
Parang kabayo nga ng tingin. Look. Hi, giraffe.
Giraffe? Yung ano, yung kabayo na doon.
Alaga na
Why
kasi.
should I let you pull in?
Doon, antelope.
Bro,
Antelope.
Yeah.
oh,
Kayla, monkey! Stop it!
whoa.
Look! Uy, ayun! Ang puwet!
She's chasing it off. There's one in front of the car.
Pika, buhayin niya mo.
Look!
Ganda ng buhok niya.
That's not dog, that's monkey. Oh, someone is near on your car. He sat down.
Gulat ako eh.
Look, Kayla, look. It's not dog, it's monkey. Oh, it's eating.
Oh no.
What it's got?
Good job I've got one at home.
What is that? What is that?
Water washer. Water washer.
I don't like monkeys.
Oh dear! Oh, they're fighting here.
They like your car.
Oh
Come on.
no! Kayla, look.
I like monkeys, the cute ones. The baboon.
Look at the bottom.
Whoa.
Oh, someone in the other side. Oh
That's a
no!
big one.
Oh, that's a male.
That's so scary.
Oh. No.
Oh, what's that rubber?
Oh,
They're so scared.
No,
Oh,
what's that
there's
wiper
punching.
What is that doing?
What is doing?
Oh, no.
Oh
I've got, what's that one?
They're wrecking you.
no!
Mapo ka.
Oh, and I've lost that rubber too.
Oh no! What they've been eating?
Oh, they went down.
Look, Kayla, there's plenty.
Oh no, that's going to cost me money. Look, the baby on the back.
Oh, look.
Oh, deer. Some deer there. Deer there?
In the house.
Oh, deer. Can you say oh?
No washers left.
No. So, tignan ko makikita ng lion.
Ay, sleeping. The lion. Kayla, oh.
You got
The
up?
lion is resting. Kita mo, Nash?
Can I go?
Kita mo, Nash? Yeah.
Kita ko na po.
Video mo na ayos?
Ito.
There.
Ala, yung
They're
ano-
resting. They're tired.
So cute.
So that car's just come out. So if
There, I
the
can see a
Volkswagen
space
doesn't
there.
go in, we are going in.
Here.
Galing mo naman.
Kapark na tayo sa wakas. Kunin ni Mr. yung push chair. I-half shoulder mo yan. Sling. Kung ayaw. Hi! Hi! You okay? Fine. What's that?
Meerkat.
The bush dog.
Parang hindi naman yung meerkat. Bush dog daw. Bush dog.
Nakatayo pa. Yeah. Jig-dag-dag-dag. You got to, and I took over the fence.
Bakit na ito, oh? Bata. Ah, dito ang tiger. Ay, may giraffe.
Like is that?
Nice. Kayla, nice. Tigers that side. Let's go then. Antok na ang ating baby. Ako nag-e-enjoy. You okay? You're so sleepy na. Ate is there, oh. Buti in-spray ako yung buhok mo. Hindi masyadong buhok. Hi! Kuya! Dito tayo guys, nag-cross sa bridge. Tapos sila doon sa parang ano, hanging bridge. Salubungin natin sila. Is Michaela crossing? Go Michaela! Let her walk. She can't walk. Is she laughing? Hi!
May ako kay Ella.
Tiger? There. Oh, Kayla tiger! Hindi kita. Hindi niya kita yung taong nakatingin sa kanya. Wow! Ayan na! It's getting close! Lalakad na ang bata. Hey! Hey! More? She says, wow! Vegan. What is that? Is that elephant?
What's your station?
Capybara? Capybara? What is
How
that?
long they're pregnant for? Oh,
Someone forgot. Yeah. Nagre-react. How do you say, Kayla? lumapit. Natakot kay Isay. Sinisit-sitan kasi. Ayun oh. Goose.
Ayun.
Ang lawak na ito guys. Ang layo ng aming nalakad. Cute naman! Dalawahin mo buong tin mo. Ay, ang galing!
Sea lions called barons. Not everybody knows how they do it. The secret to it is the loveliness, as you can see, on Roger and Arthur's faces. Type of fish, and how big they are, without ever seeing them first. Right, let's see if we can get it all the way back to this side. Yeah, that's it. That's a little bit. Give them both that big round of applause. Anybody? Come on, let's go. Now you guys can see Arthur is using all 4 flippers to walk around on. They all move independently. He's got 4 walking limbs, as I say, that move independently of each other. And that makes Arthur very mobile. Arthur can jump over things. He can use those big back flippers to stand up and fly, or give me a little
Look at us with it!
There's 2, there's 3, there's 4.
Alright, I want
There's number 5. Come on, let's go. Okay. So, attempt number 2. If he gets it this time, guys, you'll have to give him a great big cheer instead. So, thumbs down to the kids. You've got to give him a big cheer. If he gets it this time, here he comes.
Hindi ko nakuha yung tag. Like it? Ay, pulang-pula na. Kinukuha na yung bola. Napagod na kami guys. I'm so hungry. Ang liit lang. Ay, baka tumapon. Iipot mo sa gitna. Kila try.
Tikman mo yung akin sa
Try it.
What's that bubble gum?
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
The face. Patingin. Patingin. Patikim. Wow. Asan yung finger chip? Wala pa. Adult yata ito. Is this yours?
Okay.
Is this your? Oh, this is yours. Ano? Ang init yan. Makbo. Ang init ng plato. Mas ko nga. Thank you. Ano ba yung kay Kayla?
Mine for Michaela.
This kay Kayla? Eat. 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 That's it. Hey, we're going home. Ay, ano yung nasa mukha mo? Lamig bigla. Tara na. Let's go na in the park. Car park. Or something lang. 4 pounds. Yung bear? Oh, 25. Ano nga eh? Ang mahal. Ayun, 6 pounds. Oh no!
Magnet.
Ang mahal. May rhino sila, 14. Uwian na guys. Tapos na tayong magala. Masyal. Oh, wag pulot ng pulot. Baka balikan niya na may-ari. Hangin.
Oo.
Ako nilalamig bigla. Oh.
Ano ba?
Baka gusto yung cardigan, hawak niya lang Nash yung manggas lang yung kamay, yung sleeves. Goodbye, giraffe. See you next time. Go to sleep na.
Seems to think we can get out.
Morrison tayo guys. after natin sa zoo. Bigat naman. Bigat naman. Sayang lemon. Gabi ka naman kay Michaela. What's that? Passion fruit? I don't like that. That's sour. This one, I haven't tried. Hi. Oh, give to Papa. Dalawa na lang kaya. Ah. Alis daw dyan, may video ko. Kailan? She's sleeping. You like it?
When I warm the windows.
Yes. She says yes. Staying there?
You go in the car.
You go in the car.
You go in the car and the seats come with you.
It's gonna go with you. She's looking at Bluey. Tingin din naman eh.
Tawa, biglang iyak. Ano ba yan?
Tingnan ko, iiwan niya.